Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of no sound in Google Chrome browser when using Windows. So follow these simple troubleshoot steps and you should be back to enjoying your audio in no time. Without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar and then just simply select Open Volume Mixture. Now over here, make sure that the volume for Google Chrome isn't muted. And if it is muted, make sure to unmute this and also to increase the volume bar to the maximum, as you can see right over here. Now close this, and next thing that you have to do is you have to open your Google Chrome. So just simply open the browser, and after that, just simply click on the three-dot menu at the top right-hand side corner. Then just simply go to the settings menu over here, click on privacy and security, and then just simply scroll down and select site settings. Now in site settings, just scroll down and you should see an option called additional content settings. Click on it. And over here you will have the option of sound. Just simply click on that and make sure it is set to allowed, as you can see right over here. Now, once you've done that, you can go back to the main menu and then just simply restart your Google Chrome. After the restart, if you're still having the same issue, completely close Chrome using the Task Manager. So right-click on this taskbar and open Task Manager. Now, once the Task Manager is opened, close all the tasks regarding Chrome. So just let me search for that. And anything related to Chrome, just simply click on it and click on End Task. That will remove all background tasks regarding Chrome. In the meantime, just test the sound in other browsers like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Brave, or any other browser. Are you facing the same sound problem in those browsers as well, or not? And if you're still facing the same problem in a different browser, that means there is no browser sound issue, but a whole system-wide issue. So if that is the case, the issue might be that the sound driver of your Windows or the sound output medium has been completely changed, so you have to fix that. But if you're hearing the music completely fine on the different browsers and only having a problem in Chrome, let me show you what to do next. Sometimes extensions can interfere with audio playback. So what you have to do is just simply open Chrome, then open the extension page, click on it, and then click on Manage Extensions, disable extensions one by one, and then restart Chrome to check if the issue is resolved or not. Only then you can figure out if a particular extension is creating the issue with your Google Chrome sound. Lastly, you can always clear your cache and cookies in your Chrome. So what you do is just simply go to the three dots, click on Settings, then Privacy and Security. Then over here, just simply select Clear Browsing Data. And over here, make sure to select Cookies and Other Data and Cached Images and Files. Once they're both checked, click on Delete Data. That will clear the cache data of Google Chrome as well. Then you're going to do a quick restart and see if the issue is fixed or not. So that's it. The steps that I showed you should help you fix the no sound issue on Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshoot guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.